Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
What is the cat doing? Can you guess? The cat is sleeping. The cat is so cute, isn't it? Yes, it is. What a cute cat! What is the cat doing now? The cat is playing with a toy shark. The shark is big. What a big shark! What a big cat! What a funny cat! Look, look, look! The cat is falling down. The cat is on the floor now. The cat is playing on the floor with a blue shark. The shark is beautiful. The cat is playing on the floor. Questions. Let's ask all types of questions. The cat is playing on the floor. 1. Is the cat playing on the floor? Yes, it is. 2. Is the cat playing on the floor or on the couch? On the floor. 3. The cat is playing on the floor, isn't it? Yes, it is. The cat is not playing on the couch, is it? No, it is not. 4. What is the cat doing? It is playing on the floor. Where is the cat playing? On the floor. Who is playing on the floor? The cat is. What a funny cat! What a funny cat! The cat is tired. The toy shark is tired. They are sleeping now. They are both sleeping. They are both cute. They are sleeping under the purple blanket. They are funny. Max is not a cat. Max is a boy. He's a cute boy. He is sleeping too. He's sleeping under the red blanket. Look at the cat's long and fluffy tail. The cat is fat. It is gray. It is so cute. The cat is not sleeping here. It is awake.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.